I'm using an oil-based ink from Intaglio, but any oil-based ink will do. I prefer it to water-based. If you have water-based, fine. But the oil-based ink is much more smooth and spreading and will give you a slightly better quality of print. You would use any roller that you happen to have, but these are ones that I really recommend. They're Japanese soft rubber rollers, again from Intaglio. The ink is mixed with a little bit of plate oil at the top of the piece of glass or perspex, and I roll, picking it up on the roller, then I pull it back on the roller, roll and spin. And this makes the ink go on different parts of the roller. Otherwise, you're just rolling it backwards and forwards and it's on the same bit of the roller. So roll and spin is a great thing to do. I want to hear that sort of slushing sound, and that means that I've got enough ink on there. It's not too dry. And I'm going to put some ink now on my lino, and I expect it will pick up in all sorts of places that I don't want it to, but it's just a trial proof. Okay, so now I'm rolling it over the surface. Ooh, isn't it so exciting when you first put it on my template underneath? You can see that. And I'm just going to position the paper, which has got a smoother side and a slightly rougher side. I'm going to print it on the smoother side. I'm going to lay it down into those little card edges like a kento, and you can even just do it with your hands. You can use a spoon. The thinner the paper, the easier it is to print it. You can use a baron. This is called a baron. And you can even use a dabber. From printmaking, etching and engraving, you can use a dabber on the surface. Let's use a spoon. I'm holding on to it at the same time because if the paper slips, then so will your image. I can see it coming through. I think it's going to be okay. So I'm going to have a little look. Oh yeah, I think that's all right. And there we are. There's your print. The next stage is to make the print with a colour background, and I'll be showing you that in the next video session. There's loads more to do on the subject, and it's something you can do at home. Good luck.